directly go to our idea. So as you know that mixed design of concrete is itself a field from materials, and we call it COMID, by the way, concrete mixed designer, something like that. So the idea is to create a general purpose app to compute mixed proportions for concrete. So for a given set of input values as a measure of workability or strength or some other constraints you have, so you should be able to compute the final proportions based on some standard procedures. So usually mixed design is a more of an art than science, because most of the things, most of the decisions are being based on past experience, so-called past experience, and there are ready to use mixed designs already with construction firms, and there are thumb rules also which can guide based on that. But what if you don't have any of them? I mean, you are a fresh engineer and you are asked to come up with final proportions given a certain FC prime or a given workability value in the form of slump or compacting factor, whatever. So there should be an app to just crunch the numbers based on a standard values, based on standard procedures given in codes, and it should come up with the final proportions of crush, sand, cement, water. So one of the important features which this app should have, other than just automating the mixed design procedures, is customizability. For example, this is a water cement ratio versus compressive strength graph given by different standards and codes, ACI, BS, Indian standards, and these two lines, these two ones, are the experimental results which are based on a study conducted in Pakistan. So you can see that the experimental results tend to be somewhat lower than ACI curve, and they are somewhat more matching than Indian standard than American or BS. So customizability means that although the procedure is defined in ACI or BS or Eurocode, user should have the facility to change that curve, change that relationship, upload his own relationship or modify that based on his own experimental experience or data, and then procedure should rerun again and give final proportions. So this will be the new thing in that app, other than having a lot of standards covering a lot of procedures. So starting features can be these ones. We can directly start automating these 5 codes. They have a certain charts and tables and everything. We can just put it in, code it, and we can finally get proportions. The standards are available. They can be made available to the coding team in the form of flowcharts, everything. I will just quickly show you 3 apps, 3 existing apps. 2 of them called Concrete Mixed Design, and third is Concrete Cement Ratio Sands Ratio Gravel. So this is how that first app looks like. It is based on Indian standard developed by their programmers, and it looks like this, that he just gets the initial input values and returns the final results in the form of 1 meter cube quantity of mix. Second app looks like this, and it also only covers Indian standard, and its interface is like this, but overall flow of calculations is same. Third app looks like this, and it is developed by a Russian guy, most probably based on Russian code or something, because he didn't mention it with his app. So I will just quickly, I will finish it, and before that I will just show you my own app for mixed design as a sample calculation. It automates a procedure proposed by myself for basically indigenous materials for Pakistan. So how it works is, I mean, just to show you that how we can have our own thing. So okay, mixed design and then my own code. It is developed in MATLAB, and if I compile it, okay, it is working. So it looks something like this. You can see its flow chart. I mean the working flow chart, how it computes all the proportions, and you can graphically see the relationships which it is being used. I mean, there was a big regression analysis behind all the data points, and I have all the relationships. I code it into this program, and it shows the final quantities based on these experimental results. So the app itself looks like this, the program, yeah, something like that. So you just put in these 3-4 numbers, which are the inputs, FC prime, slump value, in case, and then you can get some final quantities based on some that. So I just quickly put 2-3 numbers and show you the final quantities. For example, the slump value required is, let's say, 1 inch. Sorry for US customer units, we use that in Pakistan. And 4000 psi is the required strength. And maximum aggregate size, let's say 0.5 inch. Then specific gravity of force aggregates 2.5, let's say. And then fineness modulus 2.5, not that post sand. And then again specific gravity of the other aggregates 2.4, let's say. And let's say we don't want to use any moisture adjustment, and we don't want to use any super plasticizer. And let's select the cement type. We call it in Pakistan OPC 53 grade or 43, same as Indian standard. So let's say 43. And if I click on calculate final quantity, so it gives me kilogram per meter cube. If I opt for some moisture adjustment in aggregates, I click it, and then I say, let's say the available or the as stored condition moisture is 1% in fine and coarse aggregates, and then the capacity to absorb moisture in that aggregates is more than, let's say, 1%, 2%, and then I select, let's say, again, and then click the moisture adjustment things. So as you can see that now the capacity is more than you know, the as stored condition moisture. So now you require a slightly higher amount of water to produce the same FC prime and same slump. So this is just a demonstration to show that you can always, so you can see the underlying relationships, for example, or you can, I mean, I put different help material and all the details of step-by-step procedure, something like that. So that's all. If anyone have any question or anything, I mean, this is straight away work. The procedures are already coded, already in standards. We just pick them and create an app out of that. And if it is working for different codes, you can always compare it. You can put that customizability thing. You can change the relationship according to your desire, get the numbers, and I think they should work. So thank you.